Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to create this video for you really quick as I've had quite a lot of requests for this video from subscribers. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the course outline for undertaking the course with ICT, the Inner Circle Trader. If you don't know what the Inner Circle Trader is, it's a channel on YouTube that's gotten really big, and there's been a lot of content and talk about ICT, especially over the last couple of years. Now, ICT did run their own private mentorship lessons, but as far as I know, they're not actually going on at the moment, but he has been doing lots of free content on YouTube. In fact, there's that much content on there, but you don't even know where to start. I certainly felt like this when I wanted to get into the ICT content. But the course outline that I'm going to share with you now is specifically from Michael. I think it was in the first video of the 2022 mentorship program. When I watched that, he specifically gave a outline of his content and what order to watch it in, specifically if you want to trade the Forex market. So if you're looking to trade the Forex market using ICT concepts, here's the course outline on what is probably the best order for you to watch his content in. So to share this with you, I thought it's probably best to hop straight onto YouTube, but I also have my study book here, which is where I've actually written the course outline. And this is the course outline that he's recommended for Forex trading, and also the one that I am personally using. Now, I know when I first came across this list, I wanted to jump straight into the premium mentorship content, which is where all the exciting content is, such as trading order blocks and understanding fair value gaps. But that doesn't actually come into it until a little bit later on, because it's really important to build the foundations for trading first. That being said, course number 1 is the Market Maker Primer course. How do you find the Market Maker Primer course? Well, from YouTube, go on to the Inner Circle Trader. He is a pretty big channel. He has over 500,000 subscribers, and from there, click onto playlists. And simply scroll across until you find the ICT Forex Market Maker Primer course. Now, this consists of 24 videos. There's a lot of different lengths in this video, so some are a lot longer than others, but there's some really useful content in here. It goes into detail on the different kill zones, it talks about market structure, and it just gives some really good foundations for trading ICT concepts. Once you've completed that, the next step, step number 2, is the Market Maker Forex series. So once again, back to the Inner Circle Trader, onto playlists, and scroll across until you find the Market Maker Forex series. Now, this playlist consists of 5 videos, and it's basically just filling in some gaps from what he missed from the first series, the Market Maker Primer course. Once you've completed those 2, step number 3 in this series is the ICT OTE Pattern Recognition series. Now, this is the series that I'm currently undertaking. I'm about halfway through this series at the moment when I'm recording this video. And it's right here, once again, underneath playlist, the ICT OTE, which stands for Optimum Trade Entry Pattern Recognition series. Now, if I click on the full playlist here, there are 20 videos. The first one is quite a lengthy video because it sets the scene and explains how it works. And then pretty much the next videos are examples of the OTE Pattern Recognition series. And it's quite simply recognizing the pattern of the optimum trade entry, which utilizes a lot of concepts, including the Fibonacci tool. So that's where I'm currently up to at the moment. Once you've completed step number 3, number 4 is mastering high probability scalping. So from playlists, once again, let's scroll across. So it's this one here, Mastering High Probability Scalping Volumes 1 to 3. So once again, there are 3 videos in this list. I haven't gone through those at the moment, so I can't say any more than that. The 5th step in the ICT Forex learning process is the ICT Forex Scout Sniper Basic Field Guide series, another playlist consisting of 8 videos. Finally, once you've completed that, that's when Michael recommends you start his actual mentorship content, starting with the 2016 Premium ICT Mentorship Core Content Lectures, a playlist consisting of 8 videos. But then that rolls on. So when I scroll across, there's the 2016 Premium ICT Mentorship Core Content month 2, then again month 3, and it continues month 4, month 5 enters into 2017, and you basically just work your way forwards in time, working through this content. Now, there is so much content in there. If we go back to month 1 of the 2016 Premium ICT Mentorship core content, there are 8 videos. There are 8 videos in month 2, 8 videos in month 3, 14 videos in month 4, 18 in month 5, and so on. It continues up through the months of 2017. Once you've completed all of that content, which I think will probably take quite a lot of time, because you don't want to just blast through it, there's so much content to take in, there's so many concepts to actually digest, and a lot of this is not just watching it, binge watching it like you would in a series on Netflix. It's watching it, it's making notes, it's getting on the charts, and it's practicing what you are learning. It takes a lot of time. But once you're at the point where you have completed all of that content, that's when you can then step into the 2022 ICT Mentorship, which in itself is a playlist combining 41 videos. So as you can see, there is a lot of free content on the ICT YouTube channel, which is probably why it's talked about so much. Now, if you think about all the content up there, personally, I'm pretty much at the beginning of that series, and I'm going to just keep working through it, watching this content, making notes, practicing it on the charts, and having to go in my trading until I get it. So if you yourself are thinking of doing some training with ICT, if you want to learn about ICT concepts and apply it to trading the Forex market, that is the course outline shared by Michael himself in his first video of the 2022 mentorship series. So I'll just include it on the screen here as a reference for you if you want to make a note of that order so that you can work through it yourself. If you are already working through it, or if you have watched some of the videos, do let me know in your comments below what was a video that really stood out, what playlist really had that aha moment for you. It'd be brilliant to know so that I know which one to look forward to watching. Or if there are any ICT concepts that you feel have really transformed your trading, do let us know below. Let's start a discussion going about what really works with ICT trading methods. Meanwhile, if you've enjoyed this video, do let me know by hitting that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel below, and I will catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.